Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is help guide you step by step how to migrate your COPI tokens to RISE. Okay, so a lot of you have been following Cornucopias. We've done a bunch of videos right here on the channel. So if you guys go here and type in COPI, we're now going to be doing content on RISE because Cornucopias has rebranded to RISE, so Infinity Rising, right? So we're going to be going from COPI tokens to RISE, and basically at the end of this video, if you are holding COPI on Cardano, right? So if you have COPI on Cardano, you will now have RISE tokens on Cardano's blockchain. So you don't have to do too much. It's very simple, and we're going to help guide you. So if you guys do get something out of this, if this video has helped you, we're going to keep it short and sweet. Like, comment, subscribe. We are also going to be doing a video on staking, on everything else when it comes to COPI / RISE now, okay? So guys, the main tool you want here is the link tree. Okay, so we're just going to refresh it, make sure things are good. I've added 3 links for you, okay? So if you want to get into the RISE migration, right? So that's to basically swap, or, you know, really it's migrate COPI to RISE. That is going to be this link. Then there's ADA RISE in the Wi-Fi Vault. That's to stake to earn some yield. And then there's also RISE ADA farming, so yield farming. We'll be doing 3 different videos. This is the first, okay? So what we're going to do is go to the official page, and this was the official announcement, if you will. So there's a lot of new content. This game is awesome, by the way. I'm still holding all my tokens. You'll see a few with the few different wallets I have. I've got them spread all over. So guys, COPI RISE migration is live today. This was, you know, let's just call it 24 hours ago. So this is a 1-to-1 conversion. So you're not going to lose any tokens. In fact, I believe the overall amount of tokens will be reduced. Okay, so you are swapping, you're going to have a 1-for-1 value, right? So it's kind of like, you know, instead of having US dollar, you're kind of, you know, you're, you know, stable. It's kind of like, anyways, you're just migrating your tokens and there's nothing to worry about in that sense. You're not losing any tokens by any means. So if you guys have COPI on Ethereum or the Binance Smart Chain, right, like EVM, you guys can use Chainport, okay? And then if you have COPI on BitTrue, there's links for that as well. We're going to focus up on COPI ADA, okay? That's what we're going to do. So if you guys go to the link tree, all you're going to do is click on COPI RISE token migration, have your wallet connected. This will pop up. Okay. If it doesn't pop up, you're going to go to swap now. So it already knows. If you guys don't know how to set up a Lace wallet, I've got a tutorial on that. So every step of the way, if there's something that you're missing, you guys should be able to hop on the channel and get right into it. So here you can go Lace wallet. And there's going to be a video to help guide you step by step. So watch that 2025 video. It's going to accumulate more and more views, okay? So basically, once you see that information, you can dive into it. So let's go to the link. So again, use the link tree. It's pinned in the comments as well as in the description of every video. So you're going to connect your wallet. Let's assume it's not connected. We're going to connect Lace. Boom. So that is going to be this wallet. This is a hot wallet. If you're using a different wallet for Cardano, I recommend you switch over to Lace. It's very simple. Import your seed. Here we have 9,679. Perfect. So now we're going to hit swap now. And I've never done this yet, but the main thing is make sure that you are using the right website and use my link tree, guys. Like, I'm here to help everybody. So here we're going to go here. Just going to open that up again. There we go. So here we're going to hit confirm. Now there is a little bit of a cost, it looks like here. So our fee is 0.22 ADA. Confirm. We're going to put in the password. There we go. All done. And this is going to pop up. So waiting for your COPI to arrive. So guys, that is very simple, very nifty. So maybe I'll wait just a little bit longer. We'll see how long this takes to process. In fact, what I could do, which wallet is this? This is just a hot wallet. I believe it's my hockey.801. Let's see. We'll go to pool.pm and see if we can visually see a difference here. So this is the wallet. Okay. Here you can see that we don't have any tokens now in there when it comes to COPI. COPI RISE. Let's close that for now. So let's go here. So this might take a little bit of time. It's probably gonna, I don't know, it's probably gonna take at least a few minutes. That's what I would assume. But here we can just kind of refresh it. Also, guys, get into the hedge stake pool. So if you do hold Cardano, guys, go over here. Obviously, pick up a hardware wallet, whatever you want. But click on Hedges Stake Pool. If you hold Cardano and you guys want risk-free return, you're basically just going to delegate to the Hedges Stake Pool. I am a partner with Hedges, and you guys can earn a free yield. So some of the remaining Cardano, right? There's what, 45 billion total, around 36 billion that are circulating. You can earn some of the new ADA that goes into circulation. So definitely something to think about there. Okay, so I've received the RISE. So now you can farm. That will be a separate video. I really want to break this down into separate videos. I don't want to just do a 45-minute freaking COPI to RISE masterclass. So we're going to keep this very brief. If we go here, we're going to hit refresh, and we'll see if it's in our wallet. Okay, so probably not showing yet. I mean, it is a new logo, so I would be kind of looking for something different, but, maybe if we go to Lace, wonder if we could see anything. There we go. Okay, so we have Infinity Rising, new logo. There it is. Okay. So very cheap right now. Okay, very nice, very nice. So visually, let's see if it pops up. Oh, there we go. So we got it visually on pool.pm. So guys, if you have any trouble, comment down below. Let me know. I'm going to put out this video today. We are November 14th, 2025. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. And let me know, were you able to successfully migrate your tokens? It's very simple. Just make sure you're on the right website. Let me know if you guys want me to cover other chains. I can maybe do that for you as well. That being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.